After understanding the Niels Bohr's model of atom and understanding its limitation, let us now move further towards the quantum mechanical model of the atom, which is also called the modern concept of the atomic structure. Two major events happened after the Bohr model which completely changed the system or the pattern or the way we were thinking about the atomic structure. These two was the dual behavior of the matter particles given by the Louis de Broglie, and it was the second one was the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Now these two are also the limitations of the Bohr model, that the Bohr model was not able to explain these two basic principles, and that is why it was completely rejected. And because of these two basic principles, we were forced to move to the new model, because all its previous concepts which were given were actually they were proved to be wrong by these two basic concepts. So the two concepts which completely changed our scenario, the scenario of the atomic structure were: the first one, the dual behavior of matter particle, which was given by Louis de Broglie, and the second was Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. So these two completely changed the way we were thinking about the atomic structure, and therefore we moved to the new quantum mechanical model of the atom, which is basically based on these two basic principles, and it was mainly given by the Erwin Schrödinger, who basically, based on his completely mathematical foundations, gave us the new model, which is actually is a derivation of the complex mathematical equations, which is also called the modern concept of the atomic structure. And this is how a new mechanics developed, which is called quantum mechanics or modern mechanics, which is different from our previous Newton's mechanics, or which is called classical mechanics. So let us see now these principles one by one.